Hey guys, it's me, Alex, and Austin. He has I gave it to him. It's a Tecumseh, 1971 Tecumseh Modu, and we're gonna get it run and make a video of it.
No! I told you I started by myself.
I know what you can start by yourself.
Got no kill one.
That's it for now. Hold on, wait, actually,
Try it
no.
again.
Yeah, we're gonna try it again. Motor the whole way around. We don't really know what the motors. We're pretty sure it's like a 9 horse or 8 horse. It didn't really say. That's what we're assuming though, for what it's like.
Can't believe, bro.
We don't really know. If you think you know what it is, put it down in the description and like and subscribe for more videos. And yeah.